Yeah.
Good morning, people. Pandi here, coming through with a quick before look after I have taken down some braids that I've been wearing under my wigs for almost 3 weeks now. So I just kind of took them out and was combing through and trying to finger detangle. So now I'm getting ready to shampoo and deep condition my hair, and I'm gonna probably do something I haven't done in a while, which is blow it out, so that I can trim my ends. And then I'm thinking I might flat iron my hair because I haven't worn my natural hair out straight in a very, very long time, just to kind of see what the health of it is. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stick around. I am Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Over here, for the most part, I talk about hair, my love of wigs, my natural hair care journey, my transition from chemically relaxed hair back to my natural hair almost 16 years ago now. And it's been probably a good 9 or 10 years since I flat ironed my hair and worn it out. So usually I'm in a twist out, braid out, wash and go, or braid it up underneath wigs as a protective style. So every once in a while, you got to, do your due diligence and let your natural hair breathe. But I can definitely see that my hair needs some TLC. So if you're interested in seeing this transformation, stick around. Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all so much, and please don't forget to blow dry on that like button. Alright, y'all, I am finally done. I shampooed, I blowed out, I pressed out, I trimmed with my braids, y'all. My husband said I really look my age with straight hair. But anywho, it's been several years since I've worn my hair straightened. So I'm going to go through and bump the ends since I did trim it. And I'll just wrap it up in a satin scarf tonight and see how it holds up for work tomorrow. It's gonna be like in the 70s, so we'll see how the humidity does it. And I'll probably go back under like a 2-strand twist, a flat twist or something, and it'll just be like that until I shampoo it again. So I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and going through this journey with me. I dropped some wax and I went to go wax and clean up my face a little bit, trying to get the little ingrown hairs. But yeah, I like it. I was able to clean the ends up a lot. I can see I need to take off just a smidgen more on this side, but it's nice and healthy. But I don't like to wear my hair straight for too long, y'all. I don't. But yeah, it's good. It turned out nice. So as y'all can see, although I do wear a lot of wigs, and I usually come on here with a wash and go or a twist out or braid out, the health of my hair, it seems to be doing pretty good since I transitioned back to natural. Again, this is the first time that I actually did a whole shampoo, deep condition, trim, blowout, straighten and trim. So I'm gonna try to wrap it, pump the ends, and see how that holds up for me for tomorrow and go. So I want to thank you guys again for tuning in and following me on this natural hair journey. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Are you natural? And if so, do you straighten your hair ever? I just haven't felt the need, because if I ever want a straight look, I have many straight wigs. And I, as a former hairdresser, know the damage that can be done if I continue to put excessive heat on my hair. So I didn't want to do that, but I'm pleased with the results. I'm pleased with the length. My hair is finally starting to get some length on it. You know, it's been thick, but it would never grow longer. So I'm happy about that. You guys, this concludes today's video. Again, leave me a comment down below and let me know what's on your mind. If you enjoyed the content, you like the positive vibes, please, sharing is caring, so please share this video out for me. You can share it on your community tab or other social media. And let me know again in the comments what your thoughts are. I always enjoy engaging with you all in the comment section. Excuse the look. I'm sure that by the next time y'all see me, I won't be looking all relaxed and extra chill. But this is me at home in my very, very natural element. Alright guys, until next time, stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Yeah. No.